Interlink airdrop latest update: how to create a group to increase your human credit score. If you're mining this project, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through on how to increase your human credit score. Now, if you come over to your Interlink, you must make sure that you have already created a wallet. And to create a wallet, you look at this logo here. Once you locate it, you can now see this is an Interlink IDs where they have different countries: United States, the Philippines, the France, the Russia. All the different countries are here. So the next thing to do is to click on this wallet. You tap on this wallet here. So once you tap on it, you create your wallet, save your seed phrase, and you are good to go. So from here, you can now locate your human credit score. You tap on this profile icon. Once you tap on it, you can now see that you have your the total human credit score is this. The human credit score is the only thing that will determine your allocation. Now, going back home, let's go back home to create a group to add more security to our Interlink so that we can have enough human credit score. And if you are at this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. Now, what we need to do is to click on this verified $ITLG. Tap on it. At this stage, you can see verifying in progress. It is still in progress. So what you need here is to click on this check here. Once you tap on check here, this is where you will now see your human credit score. You can start mining to increase it. Now, if you want to create more groups to increase your security, you tap on this your profile. Once you tap on the profile, you can now see I only have one group. So I want to, and you can create at least 5 different groups. So what we are going to do is to click on this plus sign. Once you tap on the plus sign, you can see create your group's ID. So I'm going to create a group ID now. Let's assume I use 2422. Now you click on save. 1596 2422. Tap on save. You tap on save. Okay, they said group ID cannot be numbers only. Okay, let me change it. Let me change it to Jenny 101. Then you click on save. Group created successfully. I have now created another group. So at this point, if you want to join my group and you know that you will be active, send me message. I will drop my group ID so that you can join, and I'll also join you. So by joining many groups, it will help to boost your human credit score. It will help to boost your human credit score. How then do you add people to your group? To add people, you click on this plus sign. Now we are going to send your group ID to that person. Now you put the person's, or the person that you want to add will give you his or her own group ID. You paste it here and you immediately click on OK. That is how to add people to your group. And then how do you copy your group ID? If you look here, you can see my group ID is here, Jenny 101. This is my group ID. I can easily copy it and share to other people. So if you tap on this go here, let's see what we can find there. Now it says leave group. If you want to leave your group, you can leave. Having many groups will help to not just increase your security cycle, but it will help to boost your human credit score. So if you are active to mine consistently for the day, you are going to earn $180 ITL. By so doing, your human credit score is also increasing. So reach out to me, join my group, and I will So let's go to their Twitter handle. They also have an update. So 3 days ago, they made this update that Interlink Visa card bring digital access into rewards payment. So they have a Visa card, A human network becomes complete when verified digital access move beyond storage and into daily use. The Interlink Visa card, powered by HPS, bridges the gap by connecting digital access to a global payment network. Spend crypto across 170 plus countries and 50 million merchants. Unified system for holding, earning and spending access. Enterprise-grade security with an 8-year zero record. So Interlink is still going higher. Do not joke with Interlink. I believe you have got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.